Let's go ahead and build our light sensors. Mount your microcontroller on your breadboard. Leave 2 rows above and 1 row below. Next, grab your digital light sensor TSL25X1. Notice the 4 pins where you'll be making the connections. VIN, ground, SDA, and SCL. Keep in mind that you can use any color jumper wire. Connect the white male-female jumper wire to VIN, a gray male-female jumper wire to ground, a yellow male-female jumper wire to SDA, and a purple male-female jumper wire to SCL. Your connections should look just like this. Let's go back to the breadboard. Connect the VIN from the light sensor to the positive power rail. Then, using a red male jumper wire, connect the positive power rail to the bat pin on the microcontroller. This connects the VIN on the light sensor to bat on the microcontroller. Next, connect ground from the light sensor to the negative power rail. Using a black male jumper wire, connect ground pinned on the microcontroller to the negative power rail. Just like before, this will connect the ground on the light sensor to the ground on the microcontroller. Lastly, connect SDA on the light sensor to SDA on the microcontroller, and SCL on the light sensor to SCL on the microcontroller. Grab the LCD screen and connect 4 female-male jumper cables to the pins in the back. The connection should be black cable to ground, red cable to VCC, orange cable to SDA, and blue cable to SCL. To connect the LCD screen to the breadboard, connect the VCC or red cable to the positive power rail. Connect the ground or black cable to the negative power rail, followed by SDA orange cable to SDA and SCL blue cable to SCL. Insert your button in your breadboard. To connect your button, attach one end of a male jumper wire to the negative power rail, and use another male-to-male jumper wire to connect the button to pin 13 on the microcontroller. Double check your connections before connecting to the battery. Insert the battery into the battery holder if you haven't done so already. Insert the red wire of the battery holder to the bat pin on the microcontroller. Then, insert the black wire to the negative power rail. Your sensor should be working fine, and pressing the button will give you a light measurement when ready.